Hey there guys, and in this video we're going to take a look into this 2016 Suzuki Access, which is actually 8 years old. So my father used to own this vehicle. As you could see, I would say the vehicle is in a pretty much bad shape and condition. So rear number plates are rusted and the black trim panel is completely faded off. Usually when we turn on the key, the instrument cluster lights up, but here what I have done is I have installed a new switch. So this is from Minda, which has a kill switch in it, and also it acts as a power start button. So you can use your self over here, and this is a headlamp, and this switch I have converted it into a horn, and this is my primary horn and that one is my secondary horn. Over at the front, if you could see closely, so these are all paint spots which happened during painting some of my door grills and all. So it's completely all over the vehicle. So I tried cleaning it with many liquids, but it was not possible. Only you have to use the emery sheet and sand it properly. So coming to the side, if you could see at the bottom, the silencer rod is bit too rusty, I would say. So actually this silencer rod is the second one. So previously my silencer rod got cut into two halves. So I don't know how that happened. And at this side is the kicker box. So you could see there are a bit of grease over down it. That's why, because it has some sort of engine issue. So engine ovality issue, I think. So oil is leaking. So let me start the vehicle for you guys and show you how it sounds like. So if you press on the top, the vehicle turns off. And if you press down, the vehicle starts. As I'm going to sell my bike, so this will be the last video of the Access 125 scooter. Thanks for watching this video guys. Do like, share and subscribe.